Hi and welcome to your next car in the walk around video for the 2017 67 Reg 420D M Sport Coupe, presented in mineral grey. So alongside a superb exterior colour of the mineral grey, the vehicle features both the 20-inch 666 competition style alloys and of course that full YNC Mperformance body styling kit, as well as some very sought after BMW options. The vehicle has a full M Sport Plus pack, so we've got the M Sport Plus brakes, the sun protection glazing on the rear windows and the Harman Kardon surround sound as well. It's a facelift model, so we've got LED headlights as well as rear lights. We've got the comfort access, so we can walk up to the car with our key in our person and it will unlock for us with a simple place our hand on the door handle. Black Dakota leather with M highlights. Both drivers and passengers can enjoy the heated as well as electric movement and memory for driver's side. We've got the Harman Kardon surround sound, an 8-speed sports automatic gearbox alongside a very spacious Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement with a central folding armrest and the darkened M Sport headline. And of course onto the rear of the car, again you can see just how nice these alloys suit the 4 Series very well. At the back we've opted to go for the high gloss rear spoiler and matching rear diffuser. And if you've not yet seen in the boot space for a 4 Series, you'll be very pleasantly surprised, as that is a very big area. You do also have split folding seats as well. At the driver's side, again we can show you that this vehicle is in great condition and works really well with those additions we've made to the car. Hopping on board, as there is yet more special features in the interior. We've got power folding mirrors, we've got the extended storage, and we've also got, equipped to the car, the digital cockpit, which is a great addition to anything with it on the BMW range. We've got dual climate controls along with switches for our heated seats. Moving back over to that digital cockpit, sorry. As you can see, currently it looks a fairly normal display. However, when we engage sport mode, we're going to get a very large digital speedo alongside a lovely red glow in the background. The car itself has covered just over 44,000 miles, as you can see there. Also has got the professional wired navigation and media screen. Comes with Bluetooth audio and telephone, along with the internet hotspot and app capability. And just below our armrest is the wireless charging dock as well, which is a great option to have to ensure all your devices stays charged. DAB, as well as all of the other multimedia options, including music collection, USB and AUX, and of course we've already mentioned the Bluetooth audio. And we'll quickly just check out this vehicle's service requirements and service history. So as you can see, the next oil service for the car is due in 11,000 miles time, and up at service history it does come with full BMW. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch one of our walk around videos. I do hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful. If you would like to get to know more about the car, you can find all of the relevant links down below in the description. Once again, thank you very much. Do of course take care, and we shall hopefully see you soon. Take care, bye bye.